Welcome to Gibbons Motorsports. I'm Pete Gibbons, and this is our shop. This is our front showroom here. We got this is one of my dad's projects actually. It's the SB2 Hendrix motor with a blower on it. So it's been a long-term project, but he's been starting to pick away at it. So we'll go around in the back here. This is what the shop originally was set up. My dad raced stock car stuff for years up in Canada and built engines down here. And that's what everything kind of started as back here. Me and my brother grew up in the shop a lot, so we're just kind of taking it to doing different things. We got dirt race, drag race stuff, some LS. We don't have a lot of engines up here right now because we waiting on parts to finish stuff, so it's always a struggle. But yeah, I can show you back here. We got like I say, a little bit of everything going, all different stuff. We got some nitrous big blocks, blower motors, road race stuff, LS, street race, all kind of things. But me and my brother, like I say, grew up in the shop. We have another building down the road, and we built this shop about 12 years ago, and did everything ourselves with our family. You know, painted the floors, hung the drywall, did the whole all the fun stuff. So we've been kind of updating machines as we go, but that's kind of the little bit of a story there. It's a long story, but we do a lot of crankshaft balancing, some for other engine shops and assemblers and stuff. So that's what majority all this stuff does, just balancing, fly cutting pistons, just all different stuff over here. We try to be set up to do everything on the engines we build machine-wise. So go back here, we got dyno back here. Do quite a bit of dynoing. All the stuff we build gets ran on here. This is a Superflow Powermark dyno, so it gets abused pretty hard. So we had a 901 and we bought this about 4 years ago now. It's been pretty good to us. So, and some of our stuff here, Sun and Hone, Rottler Diamond Hone. Do a lot of block work for people, and all the engines we build, we machine everything here. This thing usually is running every day. It's kind of quiet right now, but this was a big upgrade. CNC Diamond Hone stuff, so really helps out the program, the ring seal. Those guys have been pretty good to deal with. So do a lot of line honing, cam tunnel work, like I say, custom block work. These are all big block Chevys. There's a couple of those we have to do. Yeah, and then we got our valve cover stuff that we just started doing, making billet valve covers for all the popular race, small block Chevy, small block Ford, LS, all that kind of thing, and all the different, you know, SB2, all the different heads. We got a lot of programs and stuff going on. This is a 13-degree small block Chevy cover for like dirt late model or really any 13-degree Chevy stuff. So these are solid billet. He just got done cutting this out, and then it'll go into the HS1 to drill for the valve spring oil holes. So yeah, so this is what we're starting at. It's about a, I don't know, close to 40-pound hunk of billet, and machine the inside out. This one's kind of half done, as you can see, and then just keep going, machining, and finish it out. A lot of chips and a lot of noise. So that's been a new program we've been working on. It's been a lot of work setting it up and learning all that. So it's kind of a new thing for us, but we always like that, getting into new stuff. So yeah, it's just some of the CNC stuff. These are some more of the covers that we were doing. These are small block Ford D3, like the NASCAR style Ford engines. D3, and these are Chevrolet, like what you've seen in the VF4 there. So all that going on. I think he's decking something here. Got a Rottler born bar and Rottler surfacer. We actually just got this about 6 months ago. CNC CBN surfacer for decking heads, blocks. It stays going wide open. A lot of surface jobs. There's a set of heads here he just finished. Small block Chevy. Lays a nice finish with the CBN.
Assembly room here. Trying to keep everything clean and organized the best we can. It's always a struggle, but got a few dirt race engines. There's a street LS, and yeah, a lot of hours in here. A lot of wrench turning. So yeah, that's pretty much it on the short form of the tour. 3 of us in the back do pretty much everything. Me and my brother do all the assembling, and our guy in the back here, Colin, he does runs pretty much all the machines. He runs around like crazy. We got James in the front, takes care of everything, and takes care of all the calls and the people want to know when their stuff's done. But yeah, we're real busy. We have probably I don't know, 40 or 50 complete engine builds, and we do a lot of machine work for people. The machines stay running, servicing, honing, dyno jobs, a lot of block prep. So I keep this pretty busy in between engine builds. So yeah, check us out on our Facebook or Instagram, Gibbons Motorsports, and check our website out, gibbonsmotorsports.com.